how would you suggest I fill in a box? We would want something that counts. Let's say 1 to 5, and also counts down 1 to 10. So that's going to be 2 for loops. Going into our editor, I will be from 1 to 5. And let's make the RGB value 200, 20, 200. And we want I to correspond to not the row, but the column. So it's 1, comma I. But at the same time, we want the row to change as well. We want to fill in 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Looking at that, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and then we want to do 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and so on, all the way down to 10, 5. So from I, starting at 1 and going until 5, and for, let's say, j equal to 1 and going to 10. We want j to be our row and I to be our column, because we want 5 columns and 10 rows. Now we already have next I set up, but to end this for loop with the j, we have to say next j, and let's assign j as an integer up at top. It's going to go I equals 1, and then it's going to go into this for loop and say j equals 1, so it's going to be 1, comma 1, and it's going to change the interior color. Then it's going to go to the next j, so it's going to go back up to j and do j as 2. But I is still 1. We're still within this I for loop. So then it's going to be 2, 1, and then it's going to the next j. So 3, 1, 4, 1, all the way up to 10, 1. And then j cannot go past 10. It's going to exit out of this j for loop and go to the next I, where our next I after 1 is 2. So then it's going to do 2 for I, and j is going to be 1 again. So it's going to be 1, 2. And then j is going to be 2, so then it's 2, 2. Then it will go to the next j, which will be 3, 2, and so on, all the way up to 10, 2. And then j can't go past 10, so we will exit out of this for loop with the j, and go to our next I, which would be 3. And we're going to repeat that up until I is 5, and then once we get to 10, 5, we're going to go to the next j, which there is no j past 10, and then we're going to go to the next I. There is no I past 5, and then we'll exit out and the program will be done running. Looking at this, you will see that when we click the button, the box is colored as predicted. If we wanted to change the area, we could just do 1 to 10, 5 to 30, and let's not do a color, let's do a value. But the value will be a string, high. When we run this, you can see the parameters that we set, how far our i's and j's extend. I from 1 to 10, and then our j went from 5 to 30.